How to fix foundation crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to the library and then right click on the foundation game in your library. So for example, like this, go to properties and then installed files. Then you want to click on verify the integrity and wait for this process to finish verifying. And once it's done, you want to click on the browse button and it should open up this folder right here. Now you want to right click on the game's exe file, go to properties and go to compatibility tab and check both of these options right here. Now you want to click on apply and OK. Now you can close this folder, then close this again, and you will need to open up your browser next. And then you'll need to search for redist like this and click on the first search result. Now scroll down a little bit till you see this table right here, and you want to download the 86 and the 64 versions from these links. Now you will need to install these redistributables individually, and once you finish installing them, you will simply need to restart Steam. So you can shut down Steam from the taskbar here by right clicking on the icon and click on exit Steam to shut it down. Now you want to search for Steam and run it as administrator. And once you run Steam, you'll need to click on the game again and then click on the play button to test to see if that solves the issue. Now, if the issue still persists, what you can do is right click on the game again, go to properties, and under general tab launch options, specify -dx11 to use DirectX 11. Now you can close this, and one last step is to check your GPU update. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will most likely use the NVIDIA app. You can download and install it if you don't have it already. Now you can go to drivers section, click on this arrow to check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. After doing that, you might need to restart your PC before trying to launch the game again, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.